This video covers installing a racing seat in a 3rd generation F-body. I got this Sparco seat used, so it needs to be cleaned up just a little bit. After cleaning the seat, remove the 4 stock seat mount nuts, and remove the seat belt. Since my shoulder mount was already broken, it was easy. If yours isn't, make a small cut in between the 2 screw holes. Remove the original seat. Vacuum up any debris that was underneath the original seat. To mount this new seat, I'll be using the planted seat mount bracket. Install and snug down the 4 nuts, then install the new seat. Temporarily bolt the seat sliders to the new seat mount. This setup would work for people that are of a normal height. Unfortunately, I'm 6'5" and I don't fit. My helmet hits the roof and the side of the T-tops. For me to fit, I will have to remove both sliders. Remove the 4 bolts that hold the sliders in place. In order for me to fit, I will need to move the seat back 2 inches and move the seat down by 1 inch. I got some 3/16 plate steel to move the seat position. I drilled holes in the steel that matched the new Sparco seat's mounting holes. I used washers to tilt back the front of the seat by 1/2 inch. I then bolted it to the seat mount temporarily. I bolted up another steel plate, then marked it where I need to drill 2 more holes. Remove the seat mount. As you can see, I've tried a few seat positions already. Drill out the 2 marked holes. Reinstall the seat and test the fitment. My helmet now clears the roof and the sides of the T-tops. When grabbing the steering wheel, my arms have a slight bend. And when my arm is reached out, my wrist is lined up with the top of the steering wheel. Since the seat position is good, it's time for some prep and paint. I used a metal chop saw to remove sharp edges and the corners on the steel plates that I drilled for the seat mount. Deburr any sharp edges. Hit the steel with some paint. Once the paint is dry, reinstall the steel plate to the seat. Tighten all the bolts, and Loctite would be a good addition. Install the new seat in the car, and use blue Loctite on all 4 nuts to bolt down the seat. I'll be using a stock seatbelt because I don't have a roll cage to mount a harness belt to. After using the seat for a few autocross events, I'm very happy with it. It keeps me planted so I don't have to worry about bracing myself and I can fully focus on my racing line. The seat is also 10 pounds lighter than stock. And something to note is that these full racing seats aren't comfortable for daily driving, so keep that in mind. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.